In this tutorial, we show how to branch participants into two different groups based on a score we've created in a questionnaire. In this example, we only want to accept participants who have agreed to all statements in our questionnaire. If participants do not agree to all of the statements, they should be rejected from the experiment. First, let's preview this experiment to see it in action. In this preview, we will accept all of the statements in the questionnaire. When we click Next, we are taken to a questionnaire that allows us to continue with the experiment. Now let's preview this again to check the other branch is working as expected. This time, if we do not accept all of the items, we branch straight to the debrief where the experiment will end. Let's take a look at how this is set up in the questionnaire. Here we have 3 statements in the multiple choice grid. If participants do not agree to all 3 statements, they should be rejected from the experiment. As we have multiple statements, the easiest way to evaluate all 3 responses at once is by creating a score. By navigating to the Scoring tab, you can see that we have set up a score called Consent Score. Within this score, we have included page 1 and the question on page 1. For each statement, if the response is ticked, we score a value of 1. If the question is left unticked, we score this as 0. Therefore, if participants agree to all 3 statements, they will receive a consent score of 3. Scores created within a questionnaire are automatically saved to the store. This means we can use this information within a branch node in the experiment tree. Returning to the experiment, in the branch node we have 2 groups, one for participants who have consented and one for participants who have not. Within the branch node, Gorilla will automatically provide a drop-down of available store fields. This shows a list of fields available within this experiment. From the drop-down, we select the Consent Score option. This allows Gorilla to correctly identify the value we want to evaluate in this branch. For the consent group, we only want participants to continue with the experiment if the consent score is equal to 3. For the second non-consent group, we can mark this as default. This means that any participants who did not meet the criteria for the consent group will be in the non-consent group and then rejected from the experiment.